And we're back to learn JavaScript. We can also use ReGex to find numbers. Here we have our example from last time. So we've used the pattern on the test method on our example. And we wanted to check if an @ sign is part of our example. So for example, when we want to check if an email address is valid, you need an @ sign. Here is none, therefore we get false. I add it to the example, it becomes true. So this would be a valid email address. And we can use the same principle on passwords. Pretty sure you've encountered that you have to have, for example, at least one number in your password for it to be accepted, or let's say an email provider. And you can simply search for that by using square brackets here and then adding 0 to 9. So square brackets and inside a 0 minus 9. We don't need the I flag anymore, but I have to change this to password. We have two numbers here, therefore it becomes true. If I get rid of them, it becomes false. And it doesn't matter where these numbers are, when we put them right here in the middle or at the start. By writing it like this, it's going to cover all the numbers in our positions. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.